Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I style my wig or my hair and how I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you guys a bit of my makeup routine. So if you want a makeup video on how I do my makeup, just let me know. I'm kind of excited about that too, to like do it for you guys. Yeah, but today's video is all gonna be about this wig installation that I like. So yeah, watch it and don't forget to like my video if you have not, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next clip. Okay, bye. And to the new subscribers, I can see you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate you, and I love you guys for supporting me. Okay, and I'm gonna give you guys back-to-back good content, and I want to support you guys. Thank you, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Boy, I can hear you calling out for me. Will you say my name a symphony? Loving me come with some consequence. If you wanna let me say it with confidence, I know you're paying. I know what to take it all the way.
Oh, I could give you more. I need to know that you're fighting for.
Feeling me, I'm better before my time. Feeling me, I'm better before the sunset shines in the morning. I'm better before the rain.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna use this skin tint on my face. I'm gonna use this powder to dab on my skin. That's what we do. I'm scared to do some this. What is it I'm doing? Is shalai. Another video of a wig hair. This is the hair that I was making yesterday. Really cute hair. So now I'm gonna put her on. Nice. So now I'm gonna put her on, okay? I barely put the wig cap now because it's so hot out there. So the least I need is a wig cap. Yeah, see how she looks good on me? I know that's right. As you guys know, I've already styled it yesterday, so now I don't think I need to do much. And if you have not seen me styling this hair, please check on my channel. Now you're gonna see a full styled, but I was still gonna go ahead to like press the hair with a whatever. So my moves for the baby hair. For my own hair, I'm gonna use this gel for the side to like give my hair some blend. How we have, but I need to do this